Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In the previous video, I showed you how to upload consumer data along with single image to Google Drive and how to display the result in a Google Sheet and in a HTML web page. So in that video, one of the subscriber, Ramadan Sam Sori, has commented that can we upload 2 to 3 image for each consumer and manage them in database. So here we are. This video is an updated version of the previous one. So first of all, let's see the interface. So on the left hand side, you will find the consumer form where you can enter the details like consumer name, address, mobile number, age, gender, and add multiple images like this. Multiple images, it will provide you to upload multiple images. And on the right hand side, you will see the consumer record with slideshow images. So the multiple images will be shown here by this slideshow, and also we can back or previous the images. We can also zoom the images by clicking on the image. So let's enter some demo records. Okay, I'm entering some demo records. Okay, and when we submit, the two button got disabled, and when submit is finished, it will show a message saved successfully, and also it will reflect the data in the data table over here. And also it has the capability to edit the data. Suppose you are want to edit this data, so when you click, it will automatically fill up the consumer data over here with the images, and we can delete any images and add any images like this. And we can also zoom over here by clicking it, and when we press update, it will then disable both the buttons. And after updating the data in the Google Sheet over here, see, it also update the data in the data table over here. So now let's talk about how you can integrate this into your project. So in the video description, we'll find the link, that is project link over here. So click on that link, it will open the blog, respective blog, and then over there search for the Google Sheet link. So if you click that link, it will ask to create a copy of that document. So click on that button. So it will take some time. See this one. So this is the Google Sheet, and here we can see that we could not see the images. So let's fix that. So for this, we have to go to the Google Drive. So by typing googledrive.com, so here create a new folder with any name as you like, multiple image upload. You can name it what we want. So after that go to this go to that folder and share that folder with general access to anyone with the link. So done. Now copy the folder ID from the address bar. This one is the folder ID, so copy this and then go to the Google Sheet, this one, and there click on the extension and then app script. So here go to the 24 number line where it's written that get folder by ID. So replace that ID with the ID you got. So save. Now click on the button deploy and then new deployment. Right, I give the description. So I'll give this multiple 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 consumer image upload. Okay, so click on deployed. So first time it will ask for the permission, so give all the permission that it want. That I am showing in this video. So now copy the URL. Before going to that URL, delete all the records in the Google Sheet. Okay, and then paste the URL, deployed URL. Okay, this. So let's enter some data, whether it's working or not. Okay, I am uploading 2 images. Okay, then submit. So let's see whether it is updating the Google Sheet. It's updating and yet first time you will notice that the image is not displaying. So click on that cell and that click allow access. See, and also here in the right hand side the image is shown over here as a slideshow. So let's see whether edit button is working or not. So click on the edit button. So image should come over here. So it is not displaying. So let's see what is the problem. So again okay, so its image is loading over here. So it's seems that network is not working smoothly, therefore the problems occur. So now let's see whether it is zooming or not. Yes, it's zooming. So let's delete that image and update a new image. Okay, yeah, this one, and updates some data and then click on update button. So let's see whether it is updating the data table. The data table I see is update the data table automatically, and also and the Google Sheet. It's update the data automatically. So I hope this video is helpful to you. So if you like this video, so please comment and also subscribe my channel if you not subscribe yet, and so that it motivate me to create and create more amazing video like this. So bye bye.